I'm gonna post this on my YouTube channel.
I've never been in the back one, so I'm like...
What Marisol and Michael know.
It does not look very comfortable.
Oh, here. Can I have y'all's picture, though? Can I get y'all all to stand over here?
Here, let me check the door. Come on. She wants to go on the outside.
Yeah, we're gonna have to put you in the back for the photo. Hands for that.